Hello, I got a do-it-yourself project here, made out of some paint cans and some green bean cans, one that Gravity took down in one of my last videos. Oh my god. In this one I am making a mini or micro version of these stoves I've been making, or fire pits, whatever you like to call them. I got two separate pint cans that I'm smashing inwards as far as the lip goes on top. Putting the holes where I normally would, near the bottom. This is the outer can. This is the inner can. Just the usual pint can of green beans, or what have you. I punctured these holes using my thermometer thing. I need an ice pick, that would work much better. So this mini fire pit is actually complete. That is the one on the left. This one has a closed bottom. The one on the right with the holes is going to be part of a quart can. I'm going to join these together and see what happens. Call it a redesign. I want to see if it's more efficient. I just need to seal the top. I'm going to cut a hole around there and seat it together. Now I have this new hybrid design. I'll see if it fares any better than my old designs. This one has kind of like a throttle body plate. Air is going through the bottom of this lid I basically cut off and stuck in the bottom. Hopefully this cutting board is a good addition, or the chopping in general is a wanted part of the video. Obviously the wood is essential for these, and for these I need a really small, finely cut wood, just because it's basically the size of a quart or pint, the opening anyway. Well, just like that, it's part of the firewood now. There's a real back and forth between these two when they actually start getting going on which actually burns better. I will say that both are pretty finicky due to their size opening of the mouths as far as what you feed into it. I was just kind of throwing bigger chunks. I probably should have cut it down a little better, but in the end they both fared pretty well. I only have one pan, so I decided to test the mini portable stove and see how it does as far as boiling water. It didn't take long for the water to come to a boil. These were pretty finicky, but overall they remained smokeless, and they're pretty efficient in burning. If you like seeing content like this, stay tuned. I got a bunch of projects coming up, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.